Good evening, parents, and welcome to this year's ECC Virtual Open House. My name is Mr. Peter. I'm originally from Northern Ireland. I've been living here in Barcelona for the past 20 years, and I've been working here at ASB for the past 16 years. So that's a little bit about me. I want to welcome you to ASB again, and I want to welcome you to the music room. This is where all the students come and have their music classes. And let me just describe a little bit about what my job is about. I do two classes really here in the ECC with all the children. I do a class called Music and Movement, and then I have a class called Music Class. So what's the difference? The music class is more about singing. We learn lots of songs. We play instruments, lots of percussion instruments, and we dance to music. And that's a music class. And the Music and Movement class is more when we listen to pre-recorded music and we respond to music that we hear, and we do a lot of creative movement and things like that. So it's more psychomotor skills and responding to music. So the PK3s, they have music class every day and music and movement every day of the week. The PK4s, they have 3 times through the 6-day cycle, and the K5s have 3 music classes and music and movement classes through the 6-day cycle. So let me just describe a little bit about our music curriculum to you. There are 3 pillars which drive our curriculum, and the first one is performing, and that just means that the kids sing a lot, they dance, they do creative movement, they're listening to music and responding to it, and they're playing percussion instruments. The second pillar is creating, and that just means, of course, the kids are creating their own music, they're making up their own silly songs, or they're creating something on a percussion instrument, or they're doing creative movement in some way, responding to music. And the final pillar is listening and responding. And as I mentioned before, that's when the kids are really responding, listening to pre-recorded music, and then they dance to that music, or they answer questions about it and respond to it in some way. So that's a little bit about the curriculum. Normally we have 3 events during the year that the parents are invited to come and see. This year we don't know what we're going to do, but hopefully we'll be able to still have those events at Halloween, at winter, and at Easter. And so we'll be able to hopefully do something virtually, or maybe come springtime you'll be able to see the kids live. So if you have any questions, please feel free to get in contact with me, and I'll do my best to answer them. And I want to welcome you again to ASB, and I'm wishing you all a fantastic year here at school, and take care and see you soon.